fish in a school escaped from a predator while an individual fish would have been eaten. In a brain, you can create robust, functional, dependable behaviors, while an individual neuron, its behavior is very noisy and ambiguous. Human societies are similar in the sense that they allow us to create amazing things together, like science itself, something we couldn't have done as an individual. But there are these big organizational challenges to getting coordinated adaptive behavior at a global scale. So how do we understand what drives collectives? How do groups organize to perform spectacular feats? And what dangers are there that could lead to collapse? All these examples are examples of complex systems where we understand a lot about the individuals that make up the group and how they interact with one another. But the thing we're interested in is at a larger scale, at the scale of the entire aggregate whole. And the behavior of these systems can be very hard to understand and to predict. For one, it's very hard to keep track of the huge number of interacting components, but it's also unintuitive how the behavior of an individual component contributes to the aggregate whole. So in complex system science, we have many conceptual and quantitative tools to help us to do this. And in this Fundamentals Course 503, we'll be taking a look at a number of these tools, looking at things like emergence, scaling laws, coarse-graining, to dynamical modes and attractors and transitions, to information decomposition as a way of measuring synergistic effects. And we'll answer this question, when does it make sense to think of a collective as a superorganism? So our goal will be to use these kind of tools to demystify these powerful collective effects, things that produce impressive feats of swarm intelligence or potentially harmful instabilities, tipping points. So we'll apply these tools to systems from neurons to cell biology, to social insects and animal swarms, to ecologies, to cities, to Wikipedia, to cryptocurrencies, and back to slime molds. And so if these ideas sound interesting to you, I would encourage you to join us, and I look forward to seeing you in class.